5th grade Shurley method, page 25, part 2. Okay, so we're doing exercise 7. So fill in the blanks and underline the correct verb. Use rule 1 for singular verbs or rule 2 for plural verbs. So those houses on the beach aren't aren't available for rent. So what's the subject? Houses. Or is that singular or plural? Or plural. Sorry, I wrote an S. Plural. And then rule number 2. The tour bus isn't leaving for an hour. Subject? Bus, right? Singular or plural? Singular. Rule number 1. Blank the cookies in the pantry. Are the cookies in the pantry? Subject? Cookies. Singular or plural? Rule number. Martha likes homemade peach cobbler. And remember, if it's singular, then you have a verb that has an S, right? Okay, if it's plural, it doesn't have an S, right? Okay, so subject, Martha. Singular, rule number 1. Barry and Andy are going to the grocery store. So subject, Barry and Andy. Singular, plural? Plural, rule number 2. The wolves always chase our herd of sheep. So, subject, wolves, and since that was plural, our verb didn't have an S, right? So wolves is plural, rule number 2. Okay, 27. Blank, you seen my new blue socks. Have you seen my new blue socks? Subject, you, right? Singular, plural. Okay, now guys, you used have and you didn't use has that had the S. So you is actually plural. Okay, and then rule number 2. Okay, so you guys are going to do 28 through 33 for homework. Okay, all right. So 34. So oxen yokes. So what is it says that you need to underline each noun that needs to be made possessive. So you'd underline oxen, right? Is that singular or plural? Plural. Okay. Which rule? Not 2. 3. And then oxen's yokes. Okay, so then so how are you going to make it singular possessive? Add in apostrophe S at the end. And then to make it plural, you're going to write shelves, right? With an apostrophe at the end of that. Okay, and then for exercise 9, you need to do these corrections on it. You need to do 4 capitals, 3 commas, 1 period, and 1 end mark, right? Okay, so you guys will do those for homework too. Okay, so 35, 36, 38, 39, the ones we put above it, and then number 40, the different punctuation marks. Okay, all right.